Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to handle the confirmation alert using Selenium and C#. Let's get started. In this example, we are going to write the script for this web page. So here we need to click this show button, which is a confirm alert box. So here we have OK and cancel button. So let's see how to handle this. Now go back to your Visual Studio Code and first launch the web browser. iWebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. Now open the web page driver.navigate.go to URL. Here open the bracket inside double quotes. Copy this web page URL and paste here. Now we need to click on this button. So let's identify this element. So right click from this button, go to inspect, and this is the button element, and here we have ID and name. Let's use ID. Copy this ID and here write driver dot find element by dot ID. Open bracket inside double quotes, paste that ID value. Here put a semicolon and store this in a web element. iWeb element, and here give any variable name, show button. And now we need to click on that button. So for that, copy this variable dot click. Now let's run the script. Now the button is clicked and we got the confirm alert. Now we need to see how to click this OK and cancel button from this confirm alert box. In Selenium, to handle the alerts, we have an interface called iAlert, because while the script is running, the control will be in the parent web page. So we need to transfer the control from the parent web page to that alert box. So for that we are using this iAlert interface. So let's see how to write the script. iAlert, and we can give any name, confirm alert equal to driver dot switch to. We are transferring the control from the parent web page to the alert box. Switch to dot alert. Now the control is transferred. Now we need to click the OK button. So for that, this variable name confirm alert dot accept. So this is a function. This will click the OK button. Now let's run the script again. Now the OK button is clicked. Now we can see how to click the cancel button. So here we have OK and cancel button. Now we can see how to click the cancel button through the script. I am commenting this line since in the confirm alert either we can click any one of the button, either OK or cancel. Now copy this variable name. So to click OK, we have a function called accept, and to click cancel, we have a function called dismiss. So this will click on the cancel button. So let's add a delay, otherwise the script will execute very fast. 5 seconds. Now let's run the script again. Now the confirm alert is opened, and after 5 seconds the cancel button will be clicked. Yes. Let me explain the script again. So first we are opening the Firefox browser, then open the web page. Now click on that show button, so which will display the confirm alert box. Then we are switching the control from the parent web page to the alert window, and then adding a delay of 5 seconds, and here initially we click the OK button, and then through the dismiss function we are clicking the cancel button. Hope you understand this. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to NoTech. Thank you.